channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So guys, today I will be discussing about adverb, which is one of the most important parts of speech. So without wasting any time, let's start with it. So what is an adverb? So adverb is a word that modifies verbs, adjectives and other adverbs in any sentence. Okay. So now what is the meaning of modify? So modify means it adds or change the meaning of verb, adverb or adjective in any sentence. Okay, so let me explain you once again. So adverb is a word that modifies verbs, adjectives and other adverbs in any sentence, and modify means that add or change the meaning of verb, adverb or adjective in any sentence. So this is all about the definition of adverb. Now I will give you some examples like how adverb modify verbs. Okay, so let's start with that. So depending on the way that adverb describes any verb or any action, they can be divided into 4 types. Okay. The first one is adverb of manner. Adverb of manner. So adverb of manner tells us how something happened. Okay. It tells us how something happened. I am giving you examples so that it would be much more clear to you. The first one you can see, she sings sweetly. So here you can see sings is a verb and sweetly is a adverb. Now how can you identify adverb of manner? You need to question this sentence as how she sings, and you will get your answer sweetly, and this will be adverb of manner. The next one, they drive recklessly. So how they drive? Recklessly. So this way recklessly will be adverb of manner. The next one, she opened the door carefully. So how did she open the door? Carefully. So carefully will be adverb of manner. So adverb of manner means how something happened. Okay. It tells us basically the manner or the way in which something happened. Okay. And it answers the question how. Now let's move on to the next type of adverbs. The next one is adverb of place. So adverb of place tells us where something happened. Okay, it tells us where something happened. I am giving you examples. Like if I say, please sit here. Where should I sit? Here. So here will be adverb of place. He went downstairs. Where he went? Downstairs. So downstairs will be adverb of place. Next one, they looked for him everywhere. Like where did they look for him? Everywhere. So everywhere will be adverb of place. So adverb of manner means how something happened. Adverb of place means where something happened. Now we will talk about the third type of adjective. Adverb. The third one is adverb of time. Adverb of time. So adverb of time means when exactly something happened. Okay. It means when exactly something happened. Like if I write in this way, I will meet him tonight. Okay. So when will I meet him? Tonight. So tonight will be adverb of time. Next one, the results were announced yesterday. So when the results were announced? Yesterday. So yesterday will be adverb of time. So adverb of manner means how something happened, place means where something happened, and time means when exactly something happened. Okay. So I hope this is clear. Now let's move on to the last type of adverbs. The last one is adverb of frequency. Adverb of frequency. So adverb of frequency means how often or frequently something happened. Okay. How often or frequently something happened. Now I'm giving you examples. I meet him weekly. I meet him weekly. So how often I meet him? Weekly. So weekly will be adverb of frequency. He never smokes cigarette. How often he smokes? Never. So never will be adverb of frequency. Like I take bath daily. So how often I take bath? Daily. So daily, weekly, never, sometimes, this all comes under adverb of frequency, and you need to question in order to identify the adverb of frequency by how often. Like I said now, how often I meet him weekly. You will get your answer when we will ask yourself by questioning yourself by using how often. Okay. Now as we have discussed how adverb modify verbs or action. Now we will discuss about how adverbs modify adjectives. Okay. Now adverb modify adjectives. Like if I write in this way, the story is quite interesting. Okay. So here you can see quite. Quite is adverb and interesting is adjective. Okay. So when adverb modify adjective, it makes the sentence more clear and exact. So here you can see this adverb quiet is describing describing this adjective interesting and making the sentence much more clear and much more exact. I am giving you one more example. She talks. Sorry. It is extremely difficult to go outside right now. So here you can see extremely is adverb and difficult is adjective. So here this word, this adverb extremely is explaining this adjective difficult and making it much more clear and exact to you guys. Okay. So this is what adverb modify adjectives. So always remember, when adverb modify adjectives, it makes the sentence much more clear and much more exact. Okay. Now the last one, how adverb modify other adverbs. Other adverbs. Okay. So if I write in this way, Julie sings rather well. So here rather is also adverb, well is also adverbs. So when adverb modify other adverb, it amplifies the meaning of the second adverb and makes it more informative. Okay. So here you can see that Julie not only sings well, she rather sings well. Okay. The next example, the car was moving very fast. So here you can see very adverb, fast is also adverb, and it is enhancing the meaning of this second adverb. Okay. So when adverb modify other adverbs, it amplifies the meaning of the second adverb and make it more informative. So this is all about adverbs and the types of adverbs. So let me brief you what I have said right now. Like, what is an adverb? So adverb is a word that modify verb, adjective and other adverb in any sentence, and depending on this, the way the adverb modify verb or any action, they can be divided into 4 types. So always remember in this way, so that you will never forget. Okay. Adverb of manner. It means how something happened. Adverb of place. Where something happened. Adverb of time. When exactly something happened. And the last one, adverb of frequency. How often something happened. So just remember this trick, how, where, when and how often. Then you will never make any sort of mistake while identifying these 4 types of adverb. So this was all about adverb. I will also make a separate video on the types of adverbs, like adverb of manner or adverb of place or adverb of time with proper examples, and what are the words of what are the words used for adverb of manners and other things. Okay, so if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe and share my video. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get instant notification. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. Okay, so thank you everyone.